Welcome to 7 Boats Academy. Right now we will discuss about what is called landing page optimization and conversion rate optimization. So in short form it is called LPO and CRO. Now what is a landing page? Landing page is a page from SERP, search engine result page. If a user they search in Google or Yahoo or Bing, and if they get a list of websites there in the SERP and they click on any particular website, the link, the page they land upon is called the landing page. For example, we take here in Google, we search with sales page writing service, and we see this is the list of organic results. From here it is starting from here, the organic result sets, and you see the 7 boats result is at top. Now if you click on this particular page, so you land on 7 boats internal page, that is called the sales page writing page. This is the URL here, and you see this page. So this is called a landing page. Any user from search engine result page, they are landing whatever page, that page is called a landing page. Now mostly we know the landing pages, mostly for the any website, the home page is the most important landing page, and there are certain guidelines that you have to follow to develop your landing page. Now there is no hard and fast rule that Google or any other search engines will decide what is a landing page or not. You have to decide as per your business, as per your potential customers. You have to decide how many landing pages you want to create and what would be your most important landing pages. Like for 7 boats, we can say that our home page is a most important our landing page, and we can also create that another service we provide, that is our online training and also classroom training in Kolkata. So we provide we build up the academy page as a landing page. So it depends on the business owner, depends on the webmasters what they will decide and what are the pages they will create as landing page. Now there are certain rules to develop a landing page. Now take another example. So for landing page, what we can see, this is the 6 points that you need to focus while creating your landing pages. Now first rule is the 3-second litmus test. Now what is this? This is basically whenever a user they are coming on a landing page from Google search result from SERP, they are very impatient. They don't have much time to browse or wait on your web page and see everything in detail. So for the first 3 seconds is very important. In these 3 seconds you have to answer 3 questions. Who are you, what you do, and what benefit you can give to your potential customers. So they would ask, your potential customers who ask, who are you, what you do, and what benefit I can get from you. So on the very first glance on your landing page, you should provide this information. Now the first area that we can see in the screen, so we start from this area. From this area we can start and we can see up to this area. So this is called above the fold area. Now in your above the fold area, you should clearly have this 3-second litmus test information. For example, for 7 boats, you can see where we have written that the benefit part, you can see this is 7boats.com, and you can see this digital marketing consulting is there, so you can understand that this is a digital marketing company. You can also see here 7 boats is a premier digital marketing agency in India. You can see the benefit part here, increase your leads, visibility, engagement, and ROI, and also in affordable 360-degree solutions. And you can see also pay as you go model here. So the benefit is clearly written over here. So this is called 3-second litmus test. Now the other part is called the heat map zone. Now what is heat map? Heat map means most of the cases, most of the internet users, they normally start viewing the website from this leftmost corner, then their eyes move to right, then their eyes move diagonally like this way. I'm moving my mouse over here like this way, and their eyes then move to the right hand direction like this area. Now this Jade pattern is called heat map. In this heat map zone, you have to place your most important things. So that's the reason you can see most of the websites, they have their logo in the left corner, left top corner, and then you can see the most important navigational links are here, like digital marketing, like testimonials, like contact. Now you see the benefit part written over here clearly. Now you see in the right hand side there is a contact form and there is a orange send button that is very prominent and clear. So this button is called call to action button or CTA. So you can see over here we have written the third point is the CTA, the call to action button. Now you have to remember, call to action button, you should not give more and more options there, because your exit funnel should be very your exit should be in one single point. So you have to thoroughly check about your exit funnel. So don't provide many options over here, otherwise your potential customers will be confused. So put only one or two most important call to action buttons in the above the fold area. Now take another example. So we see this website fulwala.com. You see again the logo is on left hand side. You can see clearly that send flowers anywhere, it is written over here, so you can understand who are they. Now you can see the most important navigational links: gifts to India, blogs, shopping cart, track order, login, their customer care and toll free numbers. Then you can see the navigational mega menu with all these categories, and you can see the moving slider where they have written about the benefit like midnight delivery, everything is there. And also you can see the call to action button here, gift and gift now, also request a call here you can see. So this is also obeying the rule of landing page guideline, the first 3 points we have discussed. Now let's move to the fourth point, what is called trust and credibility. Now you have to build up the trust for your potential customers, because digital marketing, everything is about content. You are not talking with them face to face, so everything you have to present in a content format. So the trust and credibility factor is very important here. So you have to put your testimonials, you have to put your clients, you have to put video testimonials, you can also put some kind of statistics for your company, so that would give you the credibility for your potential customers. Apart from that, you have to also differentiate your business from the crowd, that is called the USP, unique selling proposition. So that you have to mention that on your landing page. And most importantly, your landing page must contain the relevant keywords that people are searching for that particular page, and you should have a very unique, well researched content on your landing page. So these are the most important guidelines we can see here. So 3-second litmus test, then heat map, then this is called English Jade, eye movement from left to right, and the most of the internet users, they see from left to right in a Z pattern. Now coming into the CTA part, call to action button, that we have already described, then trust and credibility part, then the unique selling proposition, the differentiation factors from others, and last and most important is the relevant keywords related to your subject and topic of that particular page. Take another example here. For fnp.com, you can see again the logo is the left hand side, and you can see the same day delivery, the benefit part is on the left hand side. You can see their applications, you can see the track order part, then you can see the big menu and mega menu, navigational menus over here. You can see the USPs here, the benefits they are providing here, and you can see clear call to action button over here, gift now, along with the clear categories written here. So this is another format of landing page. Now we see this website studiopress.com. You can see whatever this again the same pattern, the logo is on the left side, then you're in the right hand side, you can see the most important navigational links, and you see the messaging part, the industry standard for premium WordPress themes, along with 3 icons that is compatible for all devices. So in one single line they have described the benefit part, what they do. Now see, with this clear arrow with lots of white space over here, it's very clean and clutter free design. See how they have built up the trust. See why over 1,64,000 website owners trust StudioPress themes, and they have given two call to action buttons over here. And again, they have written here the best of the best among WordPress premium frameworks. So they are building the credibility. Now see here, you see the why choose Genesis. They have given the 8 reasons over here like this way. So you can't leave the page. So everything is in this page and lots of white space, clean layout over here. And if you move down, then you see the big faces over here. They are very popular. This is again the credibility factor build up thing. Now you see they have repeated again the call to action buttons over here. So this is a typical landing page guideline, we can say. So for AdWords, for your website search engine optimization, you need a landing page, a very good landing page as per the guidelines. So this is very crucial for your digital marketing effort. Thank you.